Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am unboxing a new Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. This is to celebrate today, National Sticker Day. So they are releasing a special box today and I'm going to show you everything that's in here. It's a smaller box. I'm not sure on price point. I'll have it linked down in the description. But yeah, it's one of the smaller size boxes that they come out with. So that's exciting. So here is the inside of the box. It says make today fun, cute, every day is special. See? It's nicely wrapped. Oh, it's like a box inside a box. Okay, so it looks like everything's inside this box. So let's open this up. Oh, it's a cute little box. How funny. Nice. Okay, this like fits a few oh, this is a box to hold your sticker books. Cute, cute, cute. So that's different. I've never seen that kind of setup when it comes to a sticker book box. Okay, so it looks like we have lots of stickers. So, which makes sense for National Sticker Day. There is much to celebrate. And then it gives you like a little info on each item. So yeah, this is a folding sticker storage box. That's what this is called. And then we have a sticker pack or sticker sheets here. We have 2 of those. And then we have a 30-page sticker book, Brighter Days. And then, ooh, cute. We have a sticker pack. And then another one, Yummy Icons, Make Today Fun, Brighter Days. This one's called Let's Celebrate, and this one is called Functional Brights. All right, so I'm gonna flip through all of these stickers. So here's the first sticker book. It's Functional Brights. Ooh, nice. So nice functional stickers here, some bullet points. This one's foiled. Due today. Top tasks. And then we have some headers, important reminder, jot it down, top priority, important reminder, and again, jot it down, top priority. Task list this week, today, and remember. And we have some icons right here, some little clocks, a pencil, birthday, medical, paper clip, some money, and then like a little paw print. And you get them in color, but these are different ones. Okay, so that's the little pack. Cute. Then the next one is called Let's Celebrate. So we have party, some birthday hats, birthday balloons. The balloons, animals are cute. Cheers. Balloons. Some like confetti in gold, and then you get it in silver and in color and in colorful. Cute. So that one's like more decor. Okay, and the next book is the bigger pack right here. This one looks like a food one. Yummy Icons. So we got like breakfast stuff right here. Pizza and tacos. Pastries. Ice cream. Spaghetti. Pretzels, hot dogs, some croissants, and sushi. And then popcorn and ice cream and some strawberries. Okay, so that's that little pack. I really like this one. Make today fun. Okay, so like black and gold quotes right here. Enjoy where you are now. You are pretty amazing. It's your year to shine. Make today fun. Ready for the day. Shine your light. You can 100%. You are rad. You are so lovely. We rise by being kind. Cute. I'm gonna get some like little starbursts. I really like that one. That one's cute. Okay, and then the last book we have is the Brighter Days sticker pack. This 30-page sticker book here. So this is like some fun holidays. World Day of Peace, Bagel Day, Puzzle Day, Chocolate Day. So you like stick those on the days if they are being celebrated. Frozen Yogurt Day, Strawberry Day, Pistachio Day, Polar Bear Day. Oh my gosh, I had no idea there was a Polar Bear Day. That's my favorite. Puppy Day, Peanut Butter and Jelly Day, High Five Day, Pie Day. Are these just all the fun holidays? How fun is that? So World Wish Day, Mimosa Day, Join Hands Day, Cheese Day. That one's cute. World Bee Day, Kitten Day, Mac and Cheese Day, Sunglass Day, French Fry Day, Book Lovers Day, Waffle Day, Friendship Day. That's so cute. Cat Day. Oh, there's a kitten and a cat day. Caramel Apple Day, Pasta Day, Candy Corn Day, Cake Day, Candy Day, Sock Day. That's so cute. All right, then we got some quotes. Ice cream today, adulting tomorrow. Some fun quotes. Party. Cheers to the weekend. Stay positive. So we got some like punny quotes. Those are always fun. Bake the world a better place. Pizza has my heart. Books are magic. Let's stick together. Send more love letters. Donut kill my vibe. Note to self. Movie night. Some little icons. Life is sweet. Let's do this. Best week ever. Smile today. Spread more happiness and love. Dream bigger. Got some speech bubbles, love those, with some hearts, cute. So we got some nice functional stickers here. And then a little decor on some of these. Cute, the little avocados are cute. Such a busy bee. You are so rare. Eat cake. Then we have some little quotes. Aim for the stars. It's just a bunch of quotes, like the long strip quotes that I really like using in a bunch of different colors. Some washi stickers. And more. Rainbows. And flowers. Got cake and chocolate, watermelon and raspberries. Some little hearts and candy. And some drinks. It's like little icon stickers. Cute. That's a fun book. Okay, so that one is Brighter Days. Okay, so that was everything that is being released today in this Be Happy box. Again, I will have it linked down in the description if you're interested in purchasing. My affiliate link will be down in the description. But yeah, that is the National Sticker Day little fun release that they are doing today over on the Happy Planner. All right, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.